Welcome to my vlog about my new project car, the 2JZ powered Lexus SC300. Stick around for the journey as we modify this into a street racer and drifter. Hey guys, got the SC300 here. Just picked it up the other day. Tightened up the dampering, took it for a drive, driving much better. Put some air in the tires, much better. Nice and stiff, great traction. And then on the way home, the blinkers went out. So today, we got to check the blinker situation, check the fuse. Let's get into it. So I think the relay is way up in there. Peel back the carpet, maybe just a little bit. Or I think it's right there to the left of the clutch pedal. And in the second row, third over on the left, it's a yellow 20 amp. Sure enough, that one's blown out. So we just got to get another 20. I think I had another 20 in the console. Yep, there we go. Let's put another 20 in there and see if we have blinkers, because we need the blinkers to drive. Oh, we have blinkers again. All right, let's go. Let's go for a joyride. Hey guys, got the SC here. Just took it for a test drive after getting the signal fuse fixed. As you can see, it's pretty stock form. So, I'm about 2 days into this, and I need y'all's help. What kind of wheels should I put on her? What do y'all think? Comment below. Let me know what kind of wheels.